If you ever wondered what the statement, a time horizon of 30 years or more, entails a 0% probability of loss with the S&P 500 means, I am ready to explain it with my own words. As you can read in my biography, I am not a financial advisor. I'm just someone who posts about travels on here, and since one needs money to travel, here I come with this topic. So, the statement emphasizes the historical resilience of long-term investing in the stock market. Over extended periods, such as 30 years or more, the likelihood to experience a negative return with the S&P 500 index has historically been extremely low. This assertion is based on historical data, which shows that despite short-term fluctuations and occasional downturns, the overall trend of the stock market has been upward over the long term. Investors with a long-term perspective can benefit from the ability of the stock market to recover from downturns and generate positive returns over extended periods. By maintaining a diversified portfolio and staying invested through market cycles, investors can potentially mitigate short-term volatility and capitalize on the long-term growth potential of the stock market. However, it's essential to note that past performance is not indicative of future results, and investing in the stock market always carries some level of risk. While a 0% probability of loss may be statistically accurate over long periods based on historical data, it does not guarantee the same outcome in the future. Therefore, investors may want to carefully consider their risk tolerance, investment objectives, and time horizon when making investment decisions. That's all I have for you. And if you enjoyed this video, please like it. Have an amazing day, week, month, and even year.